Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I brought out another one of these little cauldrons because I think they're so cute. Had an idea for it. Okay, hear me out, hear me out. I still have a ton of these little, not a ton. I still have a good amount of these little googly eyes left over, right? And I was thinking I could do resin in here instead of that orange goopy stuff like I did last time. So my plan is to fill the cauldron up with resin. This cauldron hopefully does not have any cracks or anything in it that's going to leak. To fill it up probably to just under that top rim. And then once that's cured, I'm going to hot glue some eyeballs into it. And hopefully it'll look really cool that way. So, that's today's plan. It's a little different. As for color, I think that I want to go with like a neon green. So, I've got some neon green resin paste. And I've also got the glow-in-the-dark alcohol ink that I can add to it. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to give this a shot. We'll see if it looks cool. Hopefully it does, because I'm actually kind of really excited to see how this looks. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. And, yeah, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright friends, well, it's there, it's different. I actually really enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot better than the orange crap that I made. So, yeah. The heat gun, by the way, was just to get rid of the little glue strings, that's all. So yeah, I really actually enjoy that a lot. I do wish that I still had some of the orange and green eyeballs, but that's okay. They do still move, of course. This thing is heavy. This is a proper paperweight at this point, by the way. So, there's that. But yeah, I like this one. I do. For being a stupid, silly, you know, nothing burger of a video, I actually really enjoy this one. So anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, for what it is, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.